Hey guys, my name is Natalie. As you can see, it rained today. My car's a little dirty. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this package for you and go ahead and start washing my car. Alright, let's see what I got. Got this. Got some microfiber towels. Got like a little mitten to scrub my car to wash it. More towels, some to clean the window, apply the tire dressing, more window for conditioner. Got some nozzles, spray nozzles. I think a few of these require that. Here's some soap. There's more conditioner. Here's window cleaner. So I got a whole bunch of products I'm gonna try out today. Like I said, this comes with a lot. It's a starter kit, and then there's also one more thing left. Let's see. This comes in here. We have this. I'm sure you guys are all pretty familiar with this. You know, you attach your hose to it, spray down your car. And it comes with another, this connects to this part right here. Alright guys, let's get started. Alright guys, start by adding soap right here. It lets you know, put soap up to this line, and then you fill the rest with water. Line. Alright, close this. And let's add the pieces together. the water off. Now I'm going to use the second towel that I ordered to completely dry my car. And then I'm also going to spray some of this quick detailing spray onto the cloth so it glides a lot smoother, takes care of watermarks, streaks. And then I'm going to go ahead and start. Remember that this nozzle, it's a little long, but it's meant to be like that so that it could fold and get the top, get all the way to the top when it runs out. Alright guys, you saw how I used the quick detail on that side. I want to show you guys the difference between using the quick detailer and then looking at the water spots that are left. So right here, as you can see, there's a bunch of water spots. I'm gonna use the quick detailer to show you guys the difference. Just in this little section right here. Spray some. And some water spots are harder to get than the others, and if that's the case, you know, you just spray a little more, get the tough areas. You can already see the difference between this and that. You see, here's the final result. Completely finished washing my car, and I made the mistake of doing it in the boiling sun. Yes, we got up early, but it got a little hotter than expected. So I used the quick detailer to help get some of the water stains out, as well as streaks. And as you can see, I dried the entire towel, the entire car with this towel, and it's not even dirty. But now I'm gonna start working on the door jambs on the inside portions, and that is where the towel's gonna get a little dirty. And once that happens, I'm gonna stop using the towel on the car until I completely am done, and then I'm washing it. I see the water spots in the middle right here. Alright, now the door jambs are done as well. Alright, now that I've completely finished doing both door jambs, this is the result of it. As you can see, like I told you before, yes, it did get a little dirty, and now I won't use this for the rest of the car at all until I wash it. I've completely finished washing the body. I'm going to make sure to switch the color of my rag to green, meaning it's not going to touch the paint or the windows. This is now for the tires. And I'm going to use the quick detailer to help. Let's get started. Tip. The reason I personally like washing my car myself is because I can control how much dirt is on the microfibers towels I use, and especially how much quick detailer I put on my car, because as you can see, my house has a big tree under here, and it's important that I get a nice synthetic wax to prevent it from dirting as much as it would usually, especially because I like black cars as well. So just make sure you guys just keep your towels clean. Don't ever use a dirty towel to clean your car. It'll mess up the entire process. Here's the result.